Late night, blue light, one more target on my screen. Nobody knows what I'm looking for, but I know what it could mean. I read every line like a secret. Every request is something to say. I follow the paths they forgot about, looking where others turned away. Headers whisper through the silence, endpoints waiting in the dark. One little flaw in the logic could be the place where I leave my mark. I don't break what isn't mine, I stay inside the lines. But when something doesn't feel right, I keep searching. Every time, give me one request, give me one response, give me something hidden that nobody else has caught. I don't need the easy answer, I just need the truth tonight. Give me one more fight, one more door they left behind, one vulnerability that was waiting there for me. Let me prove what I can see, let the evidence speak for me. I don't need to tear it down, I just need to show them how. And when the whole world says there's nothing left to find, I'll stay here through the night, searching one more time. Subdomains under the moonlight, status codes glowing red and green. 200-403 unauthorized, every number tells me what it means. Burp running beside the browser, terminal open on the side. I change one value in the request, then watch the server reply. Maybe it's access control, maybe a token lasts too long, maybe two users see the same thing when somebody coded it wrong. I don't chase noise for a payout, I want something I can prove. A clean report with weird production and every step they need to move. Give me one request, give me one response, give me something hidden that nobody else has caught. I don't need 100 scanners, I just need one thing that's wrong. Give me one more fight, one more door they left behind, one vulnerability that was waiting there for me. Let me prove what I can see, let the evidence speak for me. I don't need to tear it down, I just need to show them how. When the whole world says there's nothing left to find, I'll stay here through the night, searching one more time. I know the feeling of chasing nothing for hours. Oh, I know the silence when every test comes back clean. But somewhere between the request and the answer, there's a little piece of logic that somebody didn't see. So I breathe, slow down, read it again, change one thing, send it again, and suddenly the response isn't the same. There you are, I knew something was hiding there. Ooh, give me one more fight, one more truth beneath the lines, one vulnerability the morning light. One request, one response, one little difference, that's all it takes. But bounty nights, I'll keep searching one more time. Boot up the terminal, black screen glow, Python in the shell, and I'm ready to go. No browser tabs, no heavy design, just a keyboard, a cursor, and a clean command line. Header at the top, footer down below, textual in the middle where the live data flows. One little script and the whole thing moves, building terminal interfaces with developer grooves. Started with a prompt and a couple print lines, then I wanted something better, something I could design. A table for the records and input for search, a panel for the details while I'm doing my work. Import, add, compose, wrestled, widgets in the stack, run it from the terminal and never look back. Data table loaded, rows coming alive, keyboard on the controls and the workflow survives. Header saying welcome, footer showing keys, tab content switching views with terminal ease. One for the dashboard, two for the queue, three for statistics and the notes I wrote to. No mouse required when I'm moving this fast, every action mapped so the workflow can last. SQLite underneath, keeping everything tight, textual on Python and I'm coding all night. Textual nights, Python lights, building my world in a terminal tonight. Tables and trees, hotkeys underneath, everything I need sitting right in front of me. Textual nights, clean and bright, keyboard first and everything feels right. From the database straight to the screen, terminal application running fast and clean. Got a list view for the jobs I haven't applied. Hit A when I'm finished and they move to the side. Quick notes on the right that are stored in the DB. Search by company, title, whatever I need. CSV comes in, duplicates disappear. Hundreds of records but the interface is clear. Filter down the queue, hit enter on a row. Open up the details, see exactly where to go. Maybe it's the CRM contacts coming through, phone number referral and a quick note view. Maybe security events scrolling live, their techniques matching while the processes arrive. Maybe it's a study tool, phrases in the pane. Fuzzy search a word and retrieve it again. Projects may change but the pattern stays true. Textual gives the terminal something powerful to do. Textual nights, Python lights, building my world in a terminal tonight. Tables and trees, hotkeys underneath, everything I need sitting right in front of me. Textual nights, clean and bright, no giant framework weighing down the design. From the database straight to the screen, terminal application running fast and clean. CSS in the file, but I keep it restrained. Minimal styling so the purpose remains. Horizontal containers, vertical flow, responsive enough for the terminal window. Input at the bottom, select near the top. Button for export when the workflow should stop. Binding for escape space advances the page. Every key intentional, no clutter on the stage. Watch me at the firing when the value gets changed. Worker in the background so the UI remains. They sync when I need it, threads when I don't. Keep the main loop moving because freezing it won't. Try and accept around whatever could break. Log the exception so I know the mistake. Test on the logic, package it clean. Push it to GitHub with a release in between. Python at Py, watch the terminal rise. No browser window, no digital disguise. Pip install textual, and the ideas multiply. One file becomes a tool, then the tool comes alive. I like an SSH to a box and the interface stays. No desktop environment getting in the way. Run it on Linux, run it on the Mac. Open up the terminal and the whole thing comes back. Server in a closet, laptop on a train, same keyboard, workflow, something a frame, low overhead, high signal, nothing overdone. The beauty of a TUI, the work gets done. Give me a tree when the hierarchy grows. Give me a dedicated but when I need rows. Give me tabs when the project needs another view. Give me an input when I'm searching it through. Give me a footer so the shortcuts are known. Give me a header so the project has a home. Compose every widget like pieces of a song. Mount them to the screen and let the program run. There's something about the terminal glow. A language made in motion, only builders know. Every little keystroke has a reason in place. No animation needed just to fill empty space. I don't need 10 windows just to finish one task. I want the information whenever I ask. Fast enough to feel like a machine reads my mind. Simple on the surface with the power behind. I write the class, I find the key. I query SQLite, bring the answer to me. Refresh the table, update the state. Export the records, don't make me wait. Textual Nights, Python lights. Building my world in a terminal tonight. Tables and trees, hotkeys underneath. Everything I need, sitting right in front of me. Textual Nights. Textual Nights. Keyboard first and everything. I opened up the terminal like I was opening my chest. Typed a little warning sign, then gave the silence all the rest. No edit and no second screen, just every word I couldn't say. I dropped it underneath the line and let the shell remember me. Bash cat E off. I stayed too long, I thought too much. I built a world inside these commands. T off. Everything between the markers, everything I had, waiting for the final word to close the other side. I'm living in a heredoc, talking till the ending comes. Every line is going somewhere, even when I feel undone. I don't need quotation marks to tell you what I mean. Just let me write until the delimiter finally sets me free. Heredoc, heredoc. Hold the input open till I'm ready to stop. Heredoc, heredoc. I keep pouring out the words until I hit the block. Redirect me to a file, save the parts I leave behind. Bash cat key off. Redirect me to a file, save the parts I leave behind. Bash cat. Single quotes around the marker, keep the variables the same. No expansion, no replacement, no one changing what I named. Dollar signs stay dollar signs, backticks don't become a sound. Sometimes keeping things literal is the only way I'm found. I know the shell could change me, expand what's underneath, so I quote the ending marker when I need the truth to breathe. I'm living in a heredoc, talking till the ending comes. Every line is going somewhere, even when I feel undone. I don't need quotation marks around every broken dream. Just let me ride until the delimiter finally sets me free. Maybe I'm just standard input waiting to be read. Maybe all these little commands are the things I never said. Pipe me into something useful. Bash, Python, print, still here, print, still learning, print, still building. No temporary file between us, no unnecessary space. Just a stream of information moving quietly into place. And when indentation matters, I can strip the tab time. Living in the Heredoc, I don't fear the ending now. Every command needs a boundary, every thought can make it out. I was scared to close the input, thought the silence meant defeat, but the ending isn't losing, just tells the show complete. Heredoc, Heredoc, everything between those lines. Heredoc, Heredoc, turn the chaos into signs. I can send it to a program, I can write it to a file. I can feed a script 1,000 words and let it run a while. And the marker stands alone, no spaces hiding what it means. And suddenly the shell keeps moving, and so do I. Boot it up, black screen glow, tucks on the corner, ready to go. Tell me where I am, show me what I have. I work the machine and the terminal shines. Got a blinking little cursor in the world behind the lines. Seed into the folder where the whole thing begins. My dear, another dream, let the building begin. Touch a new file, vim open wide. Write a little script with tucks right by my side. Say what I need and beat away. Cat through the logs at the end of the day. Grab through the noise, find the signal inside. Find every file that was trying to hide. Smile, the script comes alive. Hit then a one time, watch the whole thing fly. No buttons, no fear, just commands in my ear. Tucks on the screen saying everything you need is here. Tucks in the terminal, Linux in my soul. Sudo when I need it, let the system take control. Tucks in the terminal, commands coming fast. History remembers every line from the past. Update, let it roll. Systectal, check the whole control. Oh, from the kernel to the shell, from the server to my home. Tucks in the terminal, and I never coded alone. These arcs tell me what's alive. Top on the screen, watch the processes rise. Kill that task if it's taking too long. Journal tells me where the service went wrong. It better, let me see the connection. Ping through the network, checking every direction. Curl to the server, bring the response back. Through the night into another Linux stack. Tar it together, zip it small. Or sync my files, make a copy of it all. How much room do I own? Do tell the truth about what's filling up home. Tucks in the terminal, Linux in my soul. Sudo when I need it, let the system take control. Tucks in the terminal, commands coming fast. History remembers every line from the past. Update, let it roll. Systectal, check the whole control. Yeah, from the kernel to the shell, from the server to my home. Tucks in the terminal, and I'm never coding alone. Sometimes I break it, sometimes I learn. Sometimes one command makes the whole system burn. But Tucks keeps smiling like, run it again. Read the man page and start from the beginning. And for the answer, less for the page. Tail X, watching every line hit the stage. Echo what I'm thinking, pipe it through the flow. One command to another, that's the Linux way to go. Homie, I know my name. Own name, tell me the game. House name, tell me the machine. Clear the screen, keep it clean. Sudo, careful now, better know how. Tucks looking back like, think before you run that command. Linux in my soul. Kernel running underneath while the shell gives me control. Commands coming fast. Every script I write tonight makes the system built to last. Hit commit, push the code. Deploy another server down the road. From the 1.2 to the video, from the desktop to the cloud. Tucks in the terminal, and I'm typing proud. Exit when I'm finished, screen fades slow, but the services keep running even after I go. Tucks in the terminal, still watching the machine. Linux in the darkness, and the cursor blinking green. terminal glowing in the room. One more fire, one more run. Let it come past. The terminal at 2:15. Empty little folder and an idea to pursue. Python invent, now the workspace clean. Black screen, white letters, building out the dream. Started with an import, then I wrote a little class. Turn 100 manual steps into something running fast. Got a function for the problem, got a loop for the pain. Every time I hit return, I make it happen again. And in every line like I know where I'm going. Logs running down while the whole thing keeps growing. From a tiny Python file to a system overnight. Speaking to the machine until I get the logic right. When the traceback calls my name, I don't panic, I just trace. Line by line and frame by frame till the red just fades away. Python in my veins, running through my brain. If I see a problem, then I'm coding it away. Python in my veins, automate the pain. Write it once tonight, let it run 1,000 days. From the terminal glow to the servers down the road. Every line I write makes the whole world move. Python in my veins, Python in my veins. Turn ideas into code and make the code come true. Yeah, got requests on the wire, data coming back. Candles on the table while I'm cleaning up the stacks. Too light, holding memories, Jason in the stream. APIs keep talking like machines inside a dream. Make sense, yo, running while I'm doing something else. But the tool I needed didn't wait for someone else. Textual in the terminal, fast happy on the side. Little script became a platform when I gave the code some time. Try, accept, catch the failure, don't collapse. Write the test, run the next. Find the weakness in the app. Push it up to GitHub. Watch the CI turn green. Tag another version, ship another dream. Python in my veins, running through my brain. If I see a problem, then I'm coding it away. Python in my veins, automate the pain. Write it once tonight, let it run 1,000 days. From the terminal glow to the service down the road. Every line I write makes the whole world move. Python in my veins, Python in my veins. Turn ideas into code and make the code come true. Maybe it crashes, maybe it breaks. Maybe one dependency changes its shape. Maybe the package won't build tonight. Maybe that version just isn't right. Read the exception, follow the clue. Check the environment, see what is true. Patch it, test it, run it again. Every failure tells me where the answers began. For every dream in my head, I'ma build it instead. While there's work left to do, I'ma keep pushing through. If the system says no, I'ma rewrite the flow. Hit return, watch it go, watch it go, watch it go. In my veins, running through my brain. I can take 1,000 glow. Tell me how you wanna look tonight. One more theme, one more line. I'm gonna make this whole machine mine. Fresh and start waiting on the desktop. Everything is simple, clean, and plain. But I can already see the colors. I can already see the change. Open up the terminal slowly. Dot files waiting for my hands. Change the shell and change the prompt now. Build it exactly how I planned. Wallpaper underneath the windows. Transparency across the screen. Every border, every shadow, turning into something made for me. Give me one more font, give me one more theme. Let the terminal glow like the picture in my dreams. I don't want the default anymore. I know what this machine could be. Let me make it mine. Every color, every line. Let the windows fall in place. Give the whole machine my face. Change the icons, change the light. Make the terminal shine tonight. I don't care how long it takes. I'll keep changing everything till I look across the screen and finally see me. Make it mine. Make it mine. Window manager moving like a heartbeat. Every shortcut underneath my hands. Workspace switching in a second. Now the desktop understands. Status bar across the top now. CPU and memory and view. Network, battery, time, and weather. Everything I need comes through. Yeah, yeah. Fast spec showing off the system. ASCII beside the name. Kernel glowing in the terminal. Nothing feels default again. Rounded corners blur behind it. Soft reflections in the night. Every little configuration makes the whole machine feel right. Give me one more keybind, give me one more night. Move the gaps a little closer till everything aligns. I don't need somebody else's desktop. I want something that's completely mine. Let me make it mine. Every color, every line. Let the windows fall in place. Give the whole machine my face. Change the icon, change the light. Make the terminal shine tonight. I don't care how long it takes. I'll keep changing everything till I look across the screen and finally see me. They say it's only a computer, but they don't understand. Every little configuration was chosen by my hands. The wallpaper, the shell, the fonts, the keys, the way the windows move, the way the terminal breathes. I changed the prompt, changed the bar, changed the way the whole thing starts. And somewhere in those dot files, I put a little piece of my heart. Look at you now. You're beautiful. Spice it up one more time. Change the theme, make it shine. Every window, every line, baby, make it mine. Oh, make it mine. Dot file save, terminal low. One more tweak before I go. Make it mine. Late night, hands on the keys, cursor waiting for me. One more lesson, one more line. Let me get it right this time. I place my fingers on the home road, feel the rhythm underneath my hands. Every letter has a place to go, and I'm starting to understand. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, slow enough to make it clean. I don't need to rush the moment, I just need to trust the keys. Every mistake becomes a lesson, every line becomes a chance. And the more I keep repeating, the more my fingers learn the dance. Give me one more word, give me one more try. Let the cursor move while the numbers start to rise. I don't need perfection now, I just need to stay in time. Give me one more line, let me type it one more time. Let the letters fall in place, let my fingers find their way. I can feel the rhythm now, I don't have to look back down. Every word is coming faster, every error getting smaller. And when that final score appears, I wanna see how far I've climbed. One more lesson, one more night, one more line. Type is growing in the terminal, waiting patiently for me. Accuracy before the speed comes, that's the way it's meant to be. 30 words, then 40, 50 starts to feel alive. But I know the real achievement is getting every letter right. Backspace doesn't mean I'm failing, it just shows me where to grow. Every session builds the pattern, so my hands already know. No more hunting for the letters, no more stopping every phrase. Now the keyboard feels like music and I'm learning how to play. Give me one more word, give me one more try. Keep my accuracy steady while the WPM climbs. I don't need to beat the whole world, I just need to beat last night. Give me one more line, let me type it one more time. Let the letters fall in place, let my fingers find their way. I can feel the rhythm now, I don't have to look back down. Every word is coming faster, every error getting smaller. And when that final score appears, I wanna see how far I've climbed. One more lesson, one more night, one more line. There were nights when 20 words felt fast. There were times I thought these mistakes would last. But repetition changed me, little by little, every day. My hands stopped asking where to go, Don't chase speed, keep it clean. Then suddenly my fingers start to fly. Till the keyboard feels like mine. Typist, keep that cursor moving. One more word, one more line. I'm getting faster every time. S-T-F-J-K-L. Don't look down, just let it flow. One more line, and my fingers know.